4 hours, we are going to close down all hospitals in Nairobi. It's unfortunate. This is not what we'll have to do.
Now, KANU Chairman Gideon today visited the family of the late Baringo Senator William Cheptumo at their Nairobi home in Karen to offer his condolences. The family has announced that a requiem mass will be held on Thursday at AIC Milimani to honor Cheptumo's life, with his burial set for Saturday. The late senator passed away last week while receiving treatment at a Nairobi hospital.
Brother, is like this fast. The way we did.
Well, now